A warm morning to all my lovely teachers. Today, 5th September, is a special occasion where we get a chance to acknowledge the hard work of the teachers who mold the students into future leaders. And this special day is known as Teachers' Day. Teachers are the pillars of the country. They guide and shape the destiny of the students. They teach them to become better human beings. They are the reason behind the successful career of the students. Today is the day to honor all of them. So I, Bhumika Verma and Ashmita Chauhan, have made a small PPT just to express our love and to thank all of you for teaching us wholeheartedly. So here we go. That strong part of the school without whom our school can never ever grow. Our principal sir. You are the real epitome of your profession. You treat us with firmness, care, and love. You are much like a friend than a principal to us. You are the reason for our tensed souls. But these tensions from you make us ready for tomorrow. We thank you, sir, for placing your great hand on our heads. Today, you lead the school. Tomorrow, your students will lead the world. Now, I would like to thank our staff members. Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. You don't teach us any subject, but you are the real role models who have taught us teamwork. Great things are never done by one person. They are always done by a team of members. Now comes the people who always come up with a cheering and enthusiastic face. Our pre-primary teachers. The children you teach may not remember you when they grow older, but they will always have a part of you inside of them. The part that gave them hope and love and taught them to believe in themselves. You build up a base for the students due to which they can do wonders in their life. Now comes the primary teachers. You are the teachers who make kids excited to come to school every day. You are like a candle. You consume yourself to light the way of your students. Here are our senior teachers. You are much like a friend to us as you get mixed up with us very nicely. You are good humored teachers. You convey a sense of happiness. It's quick to smile and find fun in situations in a way that brings the teaching moment into focus. Now we would be presenting all the individual pics of our senior teachers. Here comes the hero of all the students of Mount Litra Z School. All the students wants to walk on their footprints. He is our Priyank sir. Not only teach us the law of physics, but also the law of life. Not only the theory of relativity, but the theory of success in life. Not only the value of charge, but the value of aims, dreams, and goals in life. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for teaching us the ABC of life. We may not say this every day, but your inspirational words are like beautiful footprints that have been etched in our heart and mind forever. We are grateful to be your students. Thank you for challenging us to be on our best and instilling in us a passion for learning. The most simple and sweet teacher of our school, Himani ma'am. We always love your class. Your teaching helps us see that we have a happy life. Learning is a key. You understand your students, you are sensitive and smart. You are a skillful teacher, we knew it from the start. We are grateful for your wisdom, for the teacher that you are a very good person. As a teacher, you are a star. Here comes the most polite and appreciable teacher, Anshul sir. We might have not seen you in real, but the way you teach us has really connected us to a much larger extent. In biology, nothing is clear. Everything is too complicated. Everything is a mess. And just when we think we've understood something, we peel off a layer and find deeper complications. And you make us understand those complications in a way more simpler way. Thanks a lot, sir. Here comes the most intelligent and confident teacher, Suruchi ma'am. Being a teacher is great. Being a mom is too. But to be both is a very difficult task. And you have done that task very nicely. You are the solution to every problem. You always encourage us this much that a child who used to have stage fright once have started speaking on mic, that too very confidently. Words are not enough to express the unconditional love that exists between you and us. Now comes the smiling teacher, whose big smile touches the heart of millions. Astha ma'am. No matter how boring the history book was, you would always make it so interesting and funny. Your classes are always magical. Thank you, ma'am, for reaching deep in us to find all we can be before even we can see it ourselves. You never gave up on us. We have a future just because of you. सभी के प्यारे दोस्त हमारे, जोशी सर। सही क्या है गलत क्या है ये सब बताते हैं आप। झूठ क्या है सच क्या है ये सब समझाते हैं आप। जब सूझता नहीं कुछ भी राहों को सरल बनाते हैं आप। बंद हो जाते हैं जब सारे दरवाजे नया रास्ता दिखाते हैं आप। सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान ही नहीं जीवन जीना सिखाते हैं आप। थैंक यू सो मच सर। Now comes the most logical teacher of Mount Litra, Rakesh sir. You've always taught us that if your attention is divided by added distractions, multiply your mental traction by doing a bit of simple subtraction. By teaching us maths, you didn't just taught us how to add numbers, but also how to add values in life. Thanks a lot for that, sir. Here comes the most smart and confident teacher, Pratiksha ma'am, and the sweetest and lovable teacher, Harvinder ma'am. You both are everyone's favorite. You've been a wonderful teacher and a very dear friend. I will always miss your classes, but I have all that you've taught me stored safely in my mind and my heart. Thank you for the inspiration and believing in me when I too couldn't believe in myself. Thanks a lot, ma'am. A teacher about whom we don't know much, but all I know that he is the most lovable teacher. We haven't ever seen you, nor we've studied a lot from you. But whatever you teach goes in the mind directly and can never ever come out. Technology is just a term. In terms of getting the kids work together and motivating them, a teacher is most important. Here comes the most active part of our school, Musharrat sir and Sheetal sir. Intelligence and skills can only function at the peak of their capacity when the body is healthy and strong. And we, the students of Mount Litra, got this only because of you, your exercises, and your scoldings. Thank you so much, sir, for being so much strict with us. The reaction of your schools will definitely reflect in a bright and healthy future of ours. A great thanks to Renu ma'am and Ravi sir. Ma'am, you've taught us how to remain silent. We still talk a bit, thinking that you won't come to know. But you are a superwoman. You can figure it out which voice is coming from which table. Sir, you have taught us how to work in a team without thinking that we should have played the main part. Hats off to both of you. Now, last but not the least, the owners of our school. Words are very less to speak about them. A great thanks to you, sir and ma'am. Just because of you both, we got such a great principal and the world's best teachers who give in their heart to teach us. They are really a god to us. We are really blessed to have such a school with an amazing chairman and a wonderful director. We are really blessed to be a Mount Litteran. This was a short PPT showing our love by Bhumika and Ashmita. This is still not the end. We've prepared a speech and a short poem for all of you. Here we go.
Hi everyone. As we know that today is the Teachers' Day and I am very proud to have a teachers like you. And I came into your class just to learn and grow. But what has touched me a lot is that your love. And I'm very blessed that I have got you as my teachers who support me in every phase of my life. Thank you for being my teachers and my best friend. Thank you.
A heartfelt morning to all my lovely teachers, wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Today, on this occasion of World Teachers' Day, I, Bhumika Verma of Grade 11 Science from Mount Litra Z School, Haridwar, am here to express my feelings in the form of a short poem. The title of my poem is Teacher, the Future Creator. School is like a temple where the teachers are immortal. We all are like an empty bottle. We always try to fill this bottle, but our teacher says it's still empty total. Whenever we do any mischief, our teachers catches us like a thief. We always feel that we are cool, but our teachers knows that we are just fool. Teachers are like a friend only when we surrender to them. Teachers are the best guardian only when we respect them. Teachers are the pond of knowledge only when we are acknowledged. Teachers shows the direction when we are the ones who reach the destination. With the help of our teachers, lots of hard work and affection, we know that stepping stone is the growth of our life. But only our teachers gives us this meaningful vibe. Always remember your teacher because they are the ones who creates our future. Thanks a lot to all my lovely teachers. Wishing you all a happy Teachers' Day once again. Thank you.